Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. This is day 192 and honestly today was just normal, normal ordinary day. Nothing crazy, nothing at all, nothing not at all, no exciting thing. Just a simple day of trying to stay consistent, and I think that what life's most. So I woke up around 9 a.m., got ready as quickly as I can. I had to join my work at 10 a.m. Morning always feels like race against the clock, but somehow I managed to take it on time. At from 10 to 7, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. It was all about work, meeting, tasks, solving problems, bugs, and glitches. Glitch, no glitch, only bugs. So like every other workday, I had my lunch in between and then got back to work. It wasn't an exciting day, but I can I can say that every small task complete is still progress. By the time work ended at 7 p.m., I changed uh, I changed my mind a little bit. Okay, this is too much fun. So from 7 to 8 p.m. I was exercising, as you all know, workout. I spent the next no matter how like tired I feel or exhausted after work, I am trying my best not to skip workout. There is a voice that say no, let's skip it for today, but discipline is what keep us going. After like workout, I spend time with my like family from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. We had dinner together, talked about random things, laughed a little, enjoyed each other's company, and honestly these moments are probably the uh, best of the day or best part of your life maybe. But work and fitness are also important, but spending time with family is something I never want to take for granted, because who knows, the next day I will be leaving for another job in another city, leaving them behind. Phew, can see the winds. So yeah, you can see this is also developing. I can see this too much light. Yeah, but the results are showing up. So yeah, now it's 10 p.m. I'm finally free sitting here recording this vlog for you guys before calling it a day. So sometimes I wonder if these vlogs are too repetitive, because every day feels almost the same. Waking up, work, exercise, spend time, family, sleep, repeat. Oh, but then I remind myself that consistency is built in these boring days. Success doesn't usually like come from one exciting day. It comes from showing up every single day, even when nothing feels special or nothing happens special. Maybe today, like today's vlog isn't filled with adventures. Maybe yesterday vlog wasn't also, it was also the same as today, but it's another day documented. One more day of not giving up, one more day closer to my goals. And months from now, when I look back at these videos, I will remember that every ordinary day helped build the life I wanted, I curved for. So thank you so much for watching, for being here and supporting this journey. Whether you are you have been watching since day one, like some of you are still watching, I know, and I really appreciate that. And or maybe you just found this channel today. I truly appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoy today vlog. Don't forget to leave a like, comment something about your day, and subscribe if you have been like enjoying this video. Your supports really motivate your support motivates me to keep uploading every single day. I will see you guys tomorrow with day 193. Until then, take care, stay consistent, keep chasing your goals. Tata, bye bye.